In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Word. So the first thing you need is to set up headings, okay? And once you have your document, you want to go to Home up here, and then you want to have headings and heading 2, titles, and stuff like that, okay? So we can choose this based on your text. I put in some random lorem ipsum text over here just for this tutorial. And let's say this over here is heading 1. So the tutorial is heading 1, and then the part 1 will be heading 2. Same with the part 2, part 3, and let's say that part 4 will be a heading 3. Okay, so these basically go from heading 1, which is the most dominant, and then the heading 2 is a bit less, and then heading 3 the least. Okay, and you can create as many of these as you would like. And now once you have this created, okay, you want to go somewhere where you would like to create a table of contents, which is usually at the beginning. So I'm going to insert a blank page over here, and then you want to go to the place where you would like to make the table of contents. Make sure you have this style on normal, okay? And then you want to go under references, table of contents, and then you can either make it automatically built in or create a custom table of contents, but I usually just use one of these two. So you simply click on it, and as you can see, we now have a table of contents, okay? And as you can see, everything is perfectly done, so the pages are correct. But of course, if you want to have a table of contents, you also have to have page numbers, okay? So whoever is looking at the table of contents can actually navigate throughout the document. And the way you do this is simply by double clicking down here at the bottom. And then you want to click page number up here, bottom of the page or top of the page, it doesn't really matter. Select one, and there we go. You've got yourself a page number, okay? And if you have, you can also, of course, change this. So you can say, let's say, table of contents. There we go. And then you don't want to press enter, but just out of here. And yeah, you can also change this. However, I would not recommend it since it's still a table of contents and it must be how it is in actual text. And in case you've updated anything, let's say I rename this to part 2, second part. As you can see, this doesn't update automatically. What you have to do is click update table up here, and then update page numbers only or update entire table. So I'm going to put entire table, press OK, and there we go. It's now been updated according to what I've changed. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a table of contents in Word.